Hey guys, welcome back to Michelle's STEM Journey. I'm Michelle and I'm here today with another AMC Problem of the Week video. This week's video comes from the year 2004, 10A, Problem 14, and it deals with algebra. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's get started. The problem states the average value of all the pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters in Paula's purse is 20 cents. If she had one more quarter, then the average value would be 21 cents. How many dimes does she have in her purse? Okay, so in this problem, we are dealing with averages. And keep in mind that how to solve for an average is you take the sum of all of your items over the number of items you have. So that's how you solve for the average. And in this case, I'm going to just let V be the total value and N be the number of the items. Okay, so it tells us that the average value of the pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters in her purse is 20 cents. So that means that the total value V over the number of items, or the number of pennies, nickel, dimes, and quarters in her purse, N is equal to 20. So that's the average, and they already give us the average, which is 20. And then it tells us that if she had one more quarter, then the average value would be 21 cents. So essentially, the updated average value would be 21 cents. And then if she had one more quarter, a quarter is 25 cents. And so we need to update the V, the total value as well, because she has an additional 25 cents. And so we could do V plus 25 over, and then if she added one more quarter, that means that the number of total items in, you have to add 1 to that as well. So now we have a system of equations with two variables, and then we can just solve for this. So from here we get V equals to 20 in, and then we can just substitute that into this equation right here to get 20 in plus 25. Okay, so we get n is equal to 4. That means that she has a total number of 4 either pennies, nickels, dimes, or quarters. So we don't know how much of each, but we know that she in all has 4 coins. And so we can plug this 4 in. To get that the sum of the values, so you add 5 plus 1 plus 10 plus 25, doesn't matter how many of those, you get 80. And that's exactly what we're trying to find. We're trying to find how many dimes she has in her purse. So right now, what we want to do is we want to find out how many ways there are to satisfy this rule, that the total value is 80 and then she has 4 coins in all. And so it gives us the answer choices. So we could technically just kind of plug that into C because we can already eliminate E. There's no way, because keep in mind that dimes is 10 cents, right? And so if we have 4 dimes, because she only can have 4 coins in all. So that means that if we choose E, that means that she has 4 dimes. So it'd be 40 cents. Well, she can't add any more because she's already reached the maximum of 4 coins in all. And then 40 cents is definitely not near 80 cents. So we can definitely eliminate E. And then we can try 3. 3 times 10 is 30. 80 minus 30 is 50. There is not one coin that has a value of 50 cents by itself. The maximum is a quarter, which is 25 cents. So we can eliminate D. And then 2, well, if she has 2 dimes, then it would be 20 cents. And then 80 minus 20 is 60. Well, would it be possible for her to have 2 coins whose sum whose value added together would be 60, that's also impossible. So we can eliminate 2, and then when she has 1 dime, that means she has 10 cents. 10 cents, you can take 80 minus 10 cents, which is 70 cents. Would there be a way to choose 3 coins whose sum would be 70 cents? That would also be impossible. So the only choice here is that she has 0 dimes. So the answer would be A. And the only way to satisfy this rule of V equals 80, N equals 4 is when she has 3 quarters and 1 nickel. And so therefore the answer would be A, 0. And you can just honestly plugging those answer choices into the equation does not take that long. So that I feel like would be the simplest way.